everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, now in this video today, I'm really excited because this is a collaboration and it's called the Charcuterie Board collaboration, and that's being hosted by Styling with Gigi Fashion and At Home with Lady Cinnamon. Now I'm going to be linking the host down below in my description box along with the channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to the channels, and then head on over to the playlist so that you can see what everybody did for this collaboration. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I'd like to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now, I'm going to go ahead and finish decorating the table. I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll see you at the end. Now, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure and hit that red button that says subscribe, and also double click on the bell because this will let you know every single time I upload a video. Now, clicking that like button and full watching the video helps us content creators to grow on YouTube. Make sure and comment below because I would love to hear from you. Now, I was a little bit nervous putting this together because this, guys, was my first time doing one of these, and I am so proud that I actually put this video up. I had to do that for Gigi Fashion and Lady Cinnamon. So every once in a while, it feels really good when you step out of the box and try something new, or at least practice at it. Now I think this football table is done. I even lit a candle, so we're heading over to the reveal, guys. Now I do want to take a moment and thank Gigi Fashion and Lady Cinnamon for hosting this collaboration. I think this table came out absolutely beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.